welding helmets are an essential piece of equipment for beginner and experienced welders. Welding helmets offer an overwhelming number of features as well as safety. A good quality welding helmet is essential for comfortable working. There are many products available to choose welding helmets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best welding helmets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products are very helpful people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yes Welder Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The Yes Welder True Color Solar Power Auto Darkening Welding Helmet design is welders need to enjoy a hazard-free work experience while practicing their craft, and all about the visual experience. It is no secret that welding as a whole is quite dependent on the eyes. The manufacturers of this welding mask have got the right idea. This product goes a long way to improve all-around visibility, and it does this while also reducing the usual lime green color in the helmet's viewing area. It is incredibly large, and best believe that is a good thing. It gives users a complete range of vision in terms of the welding area. It gives the welder increased control. There is more attention to detail. It is comfortable thanks to a number of reasons. But at the core of them all is the presence of the oversized comfort cushion attached to the headgear. What makes it even better is the fact that it offers up extensive adjustability. Number 2. Deco Pro Solar Powered Welding Helmet. Deco Pro Solar Powered Welding Helmet is packed with a range of features that make it both sturdy and functional enough to be used as often as possible. This welding helmet is reinforced with auto darkening filters which switch from light to dark in a mere 0.00004 seconds. This is already evidence that this welding shield holds even more promising aspects. Altogether, it happens to be lightweight and comfortable with a smooth and rounded perimeter. The viewing area is a whole 7 inches, which makes it easy for users to have maximum vision of the work at hand. It is fitted with sensitivity and delay settings which make it more than suitable for various environments and jobs. It also has a wide range of adjustments and combinations which can be altered to fit the personal specifications of users. It also allows for diffusion of light as an all-around visibility of angles. This is run on solar panel technology which makes for longer battery life. Number 3. Jackson Safety Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Jackson Safety Lightweight Insight Welding Helmet with a stars and scars design is built with 4 sensors to reduce possible blockage, an industry-leading optical clarity, and true color. This ADF helmet has a viewing area of 3.94 inches to 2.36 inches and offers optimal vision during all stages of the welding process. Without having to lift its hood, it also has a lightweight HLX100 shell that has a narrow shape for working in tight spots. Variable shades from 9 to 13. This helmet has user-friendly digital controls for sensitivity and delay adjustments for different tasks and durations, and enables welders to enjoy enhanced visibility and color recognition. This variable auto darkening face mask allows you to use it for MIG, TIG, stick, and arc welding processes, and also features a premium 370 speed dial easy grip turn headgear system. Auto darkening welding helmets provide protection to the user's face and eyes from during welding. Jackson Safety welding helmets are efficient and economical. Number 4. ESAB Sentinel A50 Welding Helmet. If you are looking to get some welding done and look good, then ESAB Sentinel A50 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is definitely a good option. The features this one is packed with are all in line with the mission of providing welders with protection like no other. All in all, it comes in a trendy design that features a reflective cover lens as well as a one-of-a-kind shell design that looks exactly like the helmets found in the video game Halo. Its ADF ranges from shade 5 to 13, which puts it on a level of its own. Then in addition to this, it also has a TIG amperage rating which is well below 2 ampere. Welders may be interested to know that it is fitted with an external grind mode button. This makes it an incredibly easy switch and even toggle from the weld to grind mode. For even more convenience, it comes with a control panel that is equipped with a backlit display which makes for easy reading even in the darkest conditions. Number 5. Miller Digital Elite Black Welding Helmet. Miller Digital Elite Black Welding Helmet is one of the most viable choices on the market. It lives up to a certain standard which other helmets can only strive to. The Miller welding helmet is also packed with a horde of features that make it the creme de la creme of welding helmets. It is equipped with a total of 4 modes of digital versatility which can be used for not only welding but also cutting operations. The modes themselves include weld, cut, grind, and the X mode. When in the X mode, all forms of sunlight interference are completely eliminated. This is mostly thanks to features like a low amperage lens opening from obstructed sensors. Additionally, it can be credited to the presence of hidden cavity welds. All this is complemented by a new headgear that goes a long way to provide all the comfort needed for the project at hand. Also, there are equally new easy-to-read digital controls in the mix, making it incredibly easy to operate. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of question or problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is beautiful, so enjoy every bit of your life with our amazing products, as it is going to make your life so much easier. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.